Hi.
Evening.
Hi guys, how are you all?
Good. Good.
Hey, I had questions for Shivesh. What are you doing in school, Shivesh?
Eighth grade back.
Grade math is the eighth grade math. Okay, not algebra one.
No.
Noah, I really want to talk to you. What are you doing in school then? Eighth grade math means what are you discussing in school?
It's like some stuff that I already know. We've done scientific notation and reviewed some earlier stuff.
Okay, can't you accelerate, Shivesh?
Huh?
Can't you accelerate?
I'm not sure. I think my mom will have to like check with the counselor.
Can you ask her to check, please?
Okay.
Yeah, and are you finding the homework too easy?
Well, like they just started. So most of the homework's like reviewing past stuff.
No, for me, this class homework I meant.
This
Hmm.
class, uh, I, I can do the homework. I just don't have that much time.
That see, you don't have time order. Are you able to? Is it too easy?
Um, Not too easy. There are like some ones which are a bit difficult.
Bit difficult, and are you learning something?
Yeah.
Okay, then. Yeah, then that's fine. But I want to talk to your mom sometime. Okay, just tell her. Okay. Aviram, what are you doing in school? Aviram and Akshat.
We're doing algebra 1. Um we just started like our slope unit, so
Oh, slope unit. Okay. Okay.
You guys do slope in algebra 1.
yeah, I don't know why, but
We're doing domain and range. We just had a progress check about like
we're
functions.
going to do domain and range later, but they're making us do slope for now.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Akshat and Arya, what are you doing?
We're doing circumference.
We're doing
Oh, I know
like
Akshat.
we're doing algebra 1 like slope and stuff.
Akshat, you definitely need to accelerate next year. Okay, without fail. Just keep reminding your mom.
Okay.
Okay.
Like, do
Yeah.
this again?
Oh, you already accelerated?
No, I didn't.
Oh, that's what I know, right? We missed it. So I really want you to accelerate geometry.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, but keep reminding your mom. Okay.
Um,
Devansh and Viraj, what are you doing in school?
I'm doing like these things called like solving literal equations.
Okay.
Linear?
We're doing functions.
Okay. My question to Devansh is, are you using what we are dealing with here at school?
Like, what do you mean?
Are you using something here? Are you using it for something that you're learning here? Are you using it in school, Devansh?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
The domain and range in school is so easier compared to here.
That's
And
good to know.
Wait,
That's good
Miss
to know.
Priya,
Yeah, go ahead, Viraj.
if I want to like skip geometry next year, like do I have to do like what can I do?
What should you do? You should have taken the geometry class.
No, I'm just thinking right now. I haven't decided yet. Like,
Yeah, the best way is to go through the geometry course through the year.
okay.
Wait, Miss Priya.
You
Yeah,
know what the test.
that's the only way you will gain full geometry.
Wait, Miss
You know
Priya.
what I mean? Your school, 1 minute, let me finish to him. The school provided 5 week course and all is very less. Okay, that
Okay.
will not help you with PSAT, SAT. So it's
Oh.
better to do the year through around the year course in geometry, fully learn and then write the exam.
But do you know what the test is for first go ISD so I can like decide if I want to like do it or not?
I think the deadline's like February 2nd or something.
Yeah, deadline for sign up is February, but after that it is very difficult to start preparing and doing. I honestly tell you, okay, don't pressurize me like that. It doesn't work. Meaning I'll
Yeah.
say I can't. Okay, you if you want, you have to do the course through the year. It's very difficult if you come in February and ask.
Yeah.
Wait,
Okay.
Miss Priya.
Yeah.
If like let's say I'm gonna do the geometry EA or any that, then like how far is like your geometry class already done? Like for the year
Jojo.
class.
Yeah, you keep asking me very weird questions for me to
Like
answer. No. Yeah. We have covered 2, 3 main benchmarks.
okay.
We have covered 2, 3 main benchmarks. That means there will be subtopics like A, B, C, D, A, B, C inside them. We have covered quite a bit of a chunk. 10 classes have gone by.
10.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, I've
Yeah.
told you. What other inputs do you need?
That's it for now.
Okay, Arhan, please have your video on. Vaibhav was the homework task. I'm going to work with you. We will work together. Okay.
Yeah, I'm still catching up a little.
No problem, but I don't want you to be
Yeah.
doing functions from the book at all.
Okay.
You got it? If you don't
Right.
want to do that unit 16, you don't have to do, but I will alternate with some other assignments.
Okay.
Okay, first of all, I want you to feel confident. Some of the topic, that's what I'm saying, right? This book touches algebra 2.
Yeah.
You got it? You're not even in algebra 1.
No.
So you don't have to worry at all. You got
Okay.
it?
Yeah.
What we can do is we can do the other exercises related to functions and then we can come back to unit 16 a little later.
Yeah. In my school, they're doing pre-algebra.
I know what you are doing. That's absolutely fine. You're way ahead, so you don't
Yeah.
have to bother.
Okay.
Okay. Rihansh, what are you doing in school?
Well, we're like organizing graphs to their functions. Like if it's like a U-shaped parabola, it's a quadratic. If it's like constants,
Oh, we did that. Yeah.
and like attributes of quadratics,
Yeah, that's what we
quadratic
did.
functions, and absolute linear value functions.
Okay. Let's go ahead. We're all discussing functions, right? I don't want to continue with functions, but let me see what we are doing. Arhan, I really want your video to be on, Arhan.
My video is not working.
Video is working and I really want it to be on. Otherwise, I'll let you out of the class today. Okay? Yeah, you were asked to switch on your video. Even when your mom went out, she asked you to switch on the video and went out, right? So I really want your video on today.
It's not turning on.
Otherwise, log off, log back in so that your video is on.
Okay.
Okay, you can add extra cameras or whatever, log in from another laptop. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. So we were discussing the 16th unit, right? 16th unit was a little tough, right? So let's see. I don't know if I want to continue the 16th unit. Yeah, I'm going to come back. Okay, guys, I'm not going to deal with the 16th unit, 16.345. Okay. So you learned about functions, domain range. You did the homework on that, isn't it? What did you do?
Something about domain, intercept form. So, and domain and range. Yeah.
Oh, so you're learning what? Okay. Yeah. Slope, intercept form, domain and range. I see. I see. Okay.
I think I just finished all of the homeworks.
That's nice. Okay. Let's go ahead and do, arithmetic sequences. You're all aware of arithmetic sequences?
Yes.
What? Can you like give me a refresher?
No, you've not learned it, guys.
Oh,
You
oh.
heard of arithmetic sequences is what I asked.
I think I've learned it
You've
before.
learned it before? Okay.
Kind of, maybe.
How about, let's say, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. I start with a 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay, this is my input, this is my output. This is the term number, this is the value of the term. First term is 4, second term is 8, third term is 12, fourth term is 16, fifth term is 20. You see?
Yes.
I can call this sequence, the y values. I can say that they form an arithmetic sequence. What is an arithmetic sequence?
Something like
Where you add a certain amount each.
What is it?
Where you add a certain amount for each number.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Can you say it differently, Shivesh?
I don't know. Each number is n more than the next than the number before.
Very nice. Is
They all
n
have the
more
same
than the
digit.
next number. Good job. So you add, it can be a negative number as well. You get it? It can be negative as well. But the thing here is the successive term subtract previous term. Successive terms subtract the previous term, you get something called as a common difference. I don't want to call it as n. I just wrote just because Shivesh named it. That's nice. But then I want to call it as D so that you don't get confused. I'll call it as D. Any questions, guys? That D, please don't switch this. Successive term minus previous term. It's not previous term minus successive term. Please don't switch that. It's always 8 minus 4, 12 minus 8, 16 minus 12, 20 minus 16. You get it?
Yes.
When there is a common difference between terms of a sequence, they form an arithmetic sequence. Yes, Shivesh, go ahead.
You go use the restroom.
Please go and come back quickly. So, what is this, guys? F of 1. What is f of 2 here? What is f of 1 and f of 2 here?
It's the function of
4, right?
What is f of 1 value? What is f of 2 value?
Oh, well, here we have our x, so then it should be 4, right?
Good job. F of 1 is 4. F of 2 is?
8.
What does it mean? The function's value is the y value. Function's value when the input was 1. Whatever is in the parenthesis, the input, you know, right? F of 1. F of x.
Oh,
This is the x value. So, they're asking for the y value, the function's value when the input was 1. The function's value when the input was 2. Input is here. Output is here. Any questions?
No.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you know f of 2 will be equal to f of 1 plus the common difference. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
F of 3 will be equal to
Oh.
plus the common difference. F of 4 will be equal to f of 2 plus the common difference. Any questions, guys?
Wait, Miss Priya.
Yeah,
Go
it's
ahead.
f of 3. It's f of 3.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, okay.
Good catch, guys.
Wait, so Miss Priya, if it would be f of 1, would the equation be just d? I mean, no, if the equation would be f of 1 equals 2, then would it be f of 1 plus d still? Or would it just be like d?
It won't be D. F of 1 will be given to you. You don't have to worry. Okay. Okay. See, you bring up a good question. Let's write the general formula. F of n plus 1 will be equal to f of n plus D. Can I write it like that? And n
Yeah.
is greater than or equal to 1. Make sense?
Oh, okay.
N is greater than or equal to 1.
Okay.
Any questions?
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. Now, can I move on, guys?
Yeah.
You know this general formula that you have written, right? Connects two consecutive terms of a sequence. Connects two consecutive terms of a sequence. N and f of n and f of n plus 1 are two consecutive terms of a sequence. You all agree with me?
Yeah.
Right?
Can you
Why
repeat?
do you agree with me? Vaibhav, do you agree with me?
Yeah.
Now, since it connects two consecutive terms of the sequence, this formula that we have derived is called the recursive formula for an arithmetic sequence. Recursive formula for an arithmetic sequence. Any questions?
No.
Vishant, did you get it?
Wait.
Now, how about this? When you plot the x and y values, what sort of a graph will you get? What sort of a graph will you get when you plot the x and y values?
Would
Um,
a consecutive.
a line.
A
A
consecutive.
linear?
Yeah, linear.
A line, good job. You will get a line. So basically, arithmetic sequences, when they are graphed, form lines. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
Why? Because there is a constant change. Do you see? For every one change in x, there is a fourth change in y. For every one change in x, there is a fourth change in y. Do you guys get it?
Yeah.
No, Mushroom. Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, what did we study now? In an arithmetic sequence, f of n is equal to f of n minus 1 plus d. You're all with me?
Yes.
Hmm? You're all with me? N is greater than or equal to 2 here. Make sense?
But how is it greater than or equal to 2?
Because last time I wrote it like this. This time I wrote it like that. Because the first term, right? First term, meaning it depends on the sequence that I give you. Usually I give the first term, right? So this has to be n is greater than or equal to 1. Make sense? Since
Okay.
there was a n minus 1, I said n is greater than or equal to 2. Make
Okay.
sense?
Yeah. Thank
This
you.
is no problem. This is called the recursive formula for arithmetic sequence. Can I move on?
Yes.
Arhan, you're still not on the video.
Yeah, it's still not turning on.
Okay. Now, let's go ahead and try this one. Let's go ahead and try this one. Okay. I said first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. This is my x. This is my f of x. Now I have, let me say 1, 4, 7, 10, 30. Make sense? Now, I want to find out the sixth term. I'm given only the first term of the sequence is this, and I have been told the common difference is 3. How am I to get this term? Who can explain how am I to get this term? I don't know any of these. I was just given the first term of the sequence and they said the common difference is 3. How am I to get the sixth term of the sequence?
Maybe that you could just keep adding by 3
Yeah.
till you get to 6.
Yeah.
So when
You
I
could add 3 like 6 times.
Yeah,
when I
because it's the common difference is gonna change by
Yeah.
Yeah, 16.
that's true. So how can I write the right?
You could write
6.
Can I write?
could write f of 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to write f of 6. So how to write that? What is the equation for it?
F of 6 equals
F of 1.
F. Yeah.
Plus
Plus 3.
Plus 3
plus 3.
Plus 3.
times
Plus 3. Plus
Guys, plus 3. Yeah. How many?
D.
It's plus 5,
It's
15.
plus
Oh, I
12. Plus 12.
Plus 15.
plus 13.
Plus 15. Plus 15.
It's gonna be plus 15 because it's
Please,
f
please,
of
Yeah,
1.
it's
I
plus
don't want the
15.
plus 15, plus 13 and stuff. What is that? What is that? How did you get that 15?
Oh, f of 5.
8 times 5 or something.
Very nice.
Yeah.
That is excellent. That is excellent. 3 times?
5.
5.
3 times 5. You see, here when I want 6, I put 5 common differences. When I put 10, what would happen? F of 1 plus? How many 3's are to be added?
9.
9. So if I put f of n, then what is the general formula? F of 1 plus
3 and
Minus 1. And
please don't throw numbers. Yeah, one of you got it right, one of you got it wrong.
and 3.
3 n minus 1.
N minus 1. Good job, guys. So f of n, Arya, that was incorrect. Did you understand why?
Yeah, I understood him.
Okay, first term plus how many common differences you need to add? N minus 1 common differences you needed to add. Any questions?
No.
Okay, you know what is this formula called? I call this as recursive formula. This formula, when you get it from the first term to the nth term, right, you call it as the explicit formula for the arithmetic sequence. Explicit formula of the arithmetic sequence. You know how to derive that? Let me derive that for this one. The current one, I can do it, right? So here, f of 1 plus 3 times n minus 1, correct? What is f of 1 here? 1. 1 plus 3 times n minus 1. 1 plus 3n minus 3. 3n minus 2. See, it becomes a line equation. F of n is a line equation. Did you get it? mx plus b.
Yeah.
This is your slope. Did you see that?
Yeah.
That's your slope. This is your y-intercept. Make sense?
Yeah. Can I get water?
Yeah, go ahead.
Which is slope and y-intercept?
I
Yeah,
got
this is slope and this is the y-intercept. This is your x value.
Oh,
Got it?
it's just the formula again.
Yeah, that's the formula. The explicit formula of an arithmetic sequence will give you the equation of the line. You get it, guys?
Yes.
Arithmetic sequences are so easy. You don't have to memorize, but make sure you understand the formulas. Can I move on?
Yes.
Vaibhav, did you get this or not, Vaibhav?
I get it.
You get it? Good job. Can I go ahead?
Miss Priya,
Yama,
could we play For the Win today?
if you want, you can. Yes. Can I go ahead, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Please answer in chat. I just want to know what is x3 here. Let me see.
Wait, what?
What is x3?
Uh,
This is an arithmetic sequence.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Go ahead, ma.
The x, like the number under x, that's not an exponent, right? Wait, what was that called? I forgot.
That
No,
is
it's just
called,
a number. It's just a number of it.
that is the suffix,
Subscript.
that is called the subscript.
Oh, okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do we put the answer as a decimal or like
So we put
the answer as a decimal or a fraction?
answer is a fraction. Definitely is a fraction.
Fraction, okay. Wait, do we do mixed fraction or improper?
Improper.
Okay. Miss Priya, am I right? Oh, no, shoot, never mind. That was a typo. Wait, don't look at my first. Shoot.
Miss Priya, am I right?
Okay, no, that's right. I think. Wait.
Uh,
Priya, am I right?
Aradhya, can you simplify and answer, ma? Nobody will accept
Oh,
unsimplified
my
answer.
bad. I forgot to put I wrote it down. I put the wrong one in.
Mm-hmm. Arya, that's not right.
Am I right now, Miss Priya?
To wait.
Okay.
Devant, I really told you that you need to answer as an improper fraction.
we're not supposed to submit.
Akshat, you have to answer as an improper fraction, I told you.
Isn't that an improper fraction I put?
Devant, yes. Yeah, Devant, you have given me an improper fraction. Vian, I don't think that's right, Vian. Do you want to recheck? Very nice to see, guys. Most of you got it.
Miss Priya, can I go to the restroom?
Yes, ma. Go ahead and come back. Kabir, can you give me the x3 value?
Oh, okay, yeah, sorry, I mistype.
No problem. You can send it.
Varanda.
Arya, that's not correct, Arya. Okay, for those of you who did not get it right, let's go ahead and try this one.
What, Miss Priya, I'm almost done.
Okay, what is the common difference? How many common differences are there? 2, 3, 4, 5 common differences are there. 5 times common difference will be equal to 18 minus 4, right? That is 14. 5 times common difference will be 14. D will be equal to 14 by 5. That we understood. What is x3 I have asked? Start from the first term. 4 plus how many common differences? 1, 2, 3. 3 times D, right? That is your x3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So x3 will be equal to 4 plus 14 by 5 times 3. 4 plus 4 3 is 12, 1 3 is 3, 42 by 5 or 62 by 5. Arya, where did you make the mistake, Arya?
I did the common difference wrong.
Oh, okay. No problem. As long as you got it, I'm fine.
Wait, Miss Priya, I got it till like the 14 by 5. Then I kind of lost. Like, I didn't really.
Did you understand how to do this?
Where'd you get the 4 from? Oh,
Your first term and then you add 3 common difference. Vaibhav, yes. Did you get it, Ma?
Yeah, can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go and come back. Viraj, did you get it?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, but where'd you get the 3 from then? Like the 3 under X.
Oh, that's a subscript. She's just asking for like the third X.
Oh, I get it.
Any questions?
Okay.
Thank
Yeah.
you, Kabir. Shall we go ahead?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. How about this? Sum of. Please think and do. All these are thinking problems. Second term and ninth term. Okay. In an arithmetic sequence, if you think and do, then homework will be a lot easier and school will be a breeze. In an arithmetic sequence is -4. Okay. Sum of third and fourth term. And the same sequence is 4. Sequence is equal to a 4. What is the first term? What is the first term? Come on, guys. Take your time. I'm going to wait.
Quiet.
You get it, guys? I'll wait. And Aviram, that was incorrect, right, Aviram? Did you understand why?
Wait, Miss Priya, I have answered for the next one, but the last answer I got 2 4/5, which is the improper fraction would have been 14/5. So
That was wrong, right? That was not correct, right?
I thought 14/5 was the answer.
I showed you the answer on the board, right?
And that was 14/5.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was 62 by 5, right?
I saw 14/5.
That was like sort of one of the things she got while finding the answer.
Yeah, so basically that was a common difference, right? Shivesh is right. That was a common difference, right? I asked you for the third term of the sequence. You need to proceed ahead and find out, right? Did you get it?
Oh, yes. Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Miss Priya, I don't understand this.
Yeah, me
It's
neither.
like a super long process.
We have covered the base of this
I'm
already.
almost done,
Not
so
like
it'll
you
be a
don't
little.
know. Okay, only part is there are a couple of things that come into play here, meaning you have to remember what we have already learned. Good job, Arhan. Very nice.
Miss Priya, is my answer?
Did you get it?
Miss Priya, was my answer right?
Ah, sorry. Devansh, yes. Vishant, I'm waiting.
I don't really know the
Devansh, good job. Very nice.
Miss Priya, could you help me?
Absolutely. Why don't you write down sum of the second term and the ninth term in an arithmetic sequence is -4. Write down the sequence first, A1, A2, A3. You can either write it out as A1, A suffix 1.
Or yeah. Could I maybe do a little explaining?
Yeah,
I got it.
Devansh, go ahead.
I
Okay.
think I got it.
Yeah, maybe you have to wait for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, then can you explain,
Okay.
Devansh?
Wait, I think I got it actually.
I sent my answer in the chat.
I replied. Okay. Sum of the second term and the ninth term in an arithmetic sequence is -4. Sum of the third term and the fourth term, the same sequence is 4. That's a complicated equation.
I think I got it, Miss Priya.
Kabir, that's a very complicated equation.
Oh, okay.
Advai, that's not correct, Advai.
Wait, is it correct or not correct?
Advai, that's not correct, I'm saying, Ma.
Okay.
Are you able to hear me?
I accidentally turned the volume down a bit.
Okay.
So.
Now you're able to hear me?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, now I can hear you.
No, it's not correct. You want to redo that?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Aradhya. Is school not too easy for you, Aradhya?
Oh, wait, Miss Priya, I just typed in the wrong number. I meant to put a different number.
What?
Is school not too easy, Aradhya?
School is pretty easy.
Okay.
We solved this.
Advai, really appreciate you answering.
Miss Priya, did we solve this?
Yeah. Go ahead
Okay.
and Devansh, go ahead and
Is my answer right though?
Yes, Ma, see my reply.
Oh.
Go ahead, Devansh, go ahead and explain.
Is it fine if you could
I want you to write on the board and explain fully.
Okay. Right. So first, my first equation that I set up was 2a1 plus 9d equal to -4. Then my second equation was 2a1. The a1 basically means the first term, and then the 2 is times 2, and then plus 5d equal to 4. So these two equations, I basically subtracted them.
One second, Devansh. We have no idea how you arrived at 2a1 plus 9d. What is that?
Okay, so how I started was the sum of the second term, a1 plus D, and the ninth term is A1 plus 8D. You put those together, so you have 2A.
Wait. Second term is A1, the first term, plus D.
D.
Good. The ninth term was what?
A1 plus 8D.
8D. Now, when I sum them up, it becomes A1 plus D plus A1 plus 8D will be equal to minus 4. So, 2A1 plus 9D equal to minus 4. What was the next one you did?
And then the next one, the sum of the third term is
A1 plus 2D.
Plus 2D. And then the fourth term was A1 plus 3D, and that equaled 4.
A1 plus 3D equal to 4. That is nothing but 2A1 plus 5D equal to 4. Make sense? Uh-huh.
And then my next step was get our first equation and our second equation, and then subtract the two by each other.
Subtract both the equations, is it? So I'll negate all of this. 2A1 minus 5D equal to minus 4. Now I add all of this, is it? 4D will be equal to what? Minus 8, right?
Yeah, and then after you simplify, you get D equals to -2. So that means the sequence goes down by 2 each step you go.
Good job. So what is the first term?
The first term, to get the first term, I went back to the second equation and plugged in that -2 by setting it up by putting 2A1 plus 5 times -2 equal to 4. Then that would be 2A1 minus 10 equal to 4. Then after you add 10 on both sides, you'd have 2A1 equal to 14. And then divide by 2 on both sides. So you'd have A1 equals 7. So the first term is 7.
Viraj, did you get that?
Yeah, I kind of get it, but like I want to like try it one more time and see like I want to like see how I do.
You want me to explain or you're good now?
Why would you subtract the two terms?
The two equations?
Yeah.
No, I'm not. See, he said, okay. What he said was, this is what you're framing two equations in two variables. You have to make two equations in two variables. Why? So here when you think about it, 2A1 plus 9D equal to minus 4, correct? Here, what is it? 2A1 plus 5D will be equal to 4, right?
Wait,
Somehow,
Miss Priya,
I need to be able to relate A and D, right?
I thought it was the third equation.
Let me finish. There is
never
no
mind,
third
never
equations
mind.
here, okay?
Sorry, never mind.
Let me go ahead. When I want to finish talking and then you can talk. If you talk, I won't talk, okay? Let's have that deal. Now, you have two equations in hand, right? You can either add or subtract. You can even add both the equation. I just need to have a relationship between both.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
But the thing is, if you add both, right, I will still have two yeah. If you, let's say if you add both, what happens? Yeah, if you add both, the problem is both the variables will still persist. You got it? We don't want two variables at all. We want to take away one variable. That is why he suggested that he subtracts so that this will get cancelled. A will get cancelled. You see, when you want to subtract both the equations, right? What happens? When you subtract both the equations, let's do 2A1 plus 9D will be equal to minus 4, and you're going to subtract means minus 2A1 minus 5D. Everything becomes negated. That's why I wrote it as negated. You got it? So this and this, when you add, it goes off. This one is 4D1 will be equal to minus 8. Make sense?
Yeah.
Any questions?
No.
Yeah, but this is a very important concept, okay? Now, what is an arithmetic series? We learned an arithmetic sequence. What is an arithmetic series? What is an arithmetic series? Any thoughts?
Is it like when there's multiple arithmetic sequences?
Oh, nice try. Nice try. But you know what? This is an arithmetic sequence. This is an arithmetic sequence. I'll tell you what is an arithmetic series is. This is you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The sum when we add a group of consecutive terms in an arithmetic sequence, we form an arithmetic series.
Oh,
Does that make sense?
makes sense.
Okay. Now I have more questions for you then. Okay. Suppose I have this arithmetic sequence is this, right? What is the sum of this in general? In general, if there is an arithmetic series, how do I write the sum? Do you know first term plus last term, second term plus the penultimate term? You see what I do here? So what I'll do is number of terms divide by 2. Number of terms you divide it by 2. It will be halved, right? And then times first term plus last term. Can we do that? Does that make sense?
Yeah. So it's basically.
Not really.
Yeah, no.
Wait,
Really?
wait,
Makes
wait,
sense.
Miss Priya, would the answer to this be 30?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is x, this is f of x, which is an arithmetic sequence. I want to find the sum of this arithmetic series, right? So just add these two, 10 plus 2. 8 plus 4 is as well 12. 12, 12. Do you see it? Do you
So
see this?
30?
What is the sum? Yeah, 30. That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, instead of adding one by one by one by one, suppose if there are so many numbers, you have to arrive at a general formula, right? So first term plus last term, you see, first term plus last term divided by 2 times the number of terms. How many terms are there?
5.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, how do I write this formula? So sum will be equal to, let me write it down as a formula. First term plus last term divided by 2 times the number of terms. Or I can write it out as a1 plus an by 2 times n. Any questions?
No.
You know what? I can make it even more complicated. You know how? Instead of an, I can substitute a1 plus n minus 1d. Do you get it?
No, I don't.
Yeah. Nth term of a arithmetic sequence is first term plus n minus 1 common difference, right? So I just substituted
my
that
brain
here.
just like blah.
Hmm?
My brain just like decreased.
I know. You just blasted.
But I don't get this last part. Like, I didn't.
Yeah, me neither. I don't
I
get
feel like we should stick to the
I don't get
simple
the
way.
n minus 1 times d part.
Yeah. No. How do you get the nth term of an arithmetic sequence? The first term plus you add n minus 1d. Remember, this is our explicit formula. Remember, this is the explicit formula we already derived. I substituted it here. You
Yeah.
got it? Did you get it?
Yeah.
Now
Yeah.
I simplify. I add these two. So 2a1 plus n minus 1 times d divide by 2. Do you see? Do you see what I did?
I don't get this at all.
I get it.
I get the simpler way.
You get the simpler way, but I want you to get the harder way
Wait,
as well.
Miss Priya, is the simpler way and the harder way the same thing?
Oh, yeah, they're both the same thing, but there is one subtle difference. A1 plus an divide by 2 times n. You all understand and agree with this, right?
Yeah.
What is the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, guys?
The last term?
Yeah, the last term of an arithmetic sequence, how will you find out? The first term.
A1 plus
A
plus n
n minus
n
1.
minus 1d.
N minus 1 times d.
Yeah,
You add that many common differences, right?
yeah.
So that's all I did. The rest of it I wrote from here. A1, this A1 is in here, plus, and then you multiply the whole thing by n, divide by 2. Make
Oh,
sense?
yeah.
Now I can group these two. 2A1 plus n minus 1d and then times n by 2. That is the sum as well. There are two formulas. Why these two formulas are different, I said, when you're given the first term and the last term and you know the number of terms, you can use this. When they don't give you the first term and last term, but you just have the first term and the common difference in the number of terms, then you use this formula. Make sense? Depends on what you're given. If you're only given first term, common difference, and n, you use this formula.
Will the questions on the homework be like this?
Yeah, it will be. So this one you can derive anytime, provided you know what to substitute. You just substitute what is an into the formula and then regroup. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
There are two formulas. Shivesh, did you follow?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, so we derived the important formulas now. Sum of the, meaning sum in an arithmetic series, you will be able to do now. Correct, guys? How about this? I'm going to give you this. 7 by 6 plus 4 by 3. No. Excuse me. I don't want to make it harder on you first, okay? Why don't you do this one? This is -1, guys. Yeah.
So we find the answer of the arithmetic series.
Wait, after the -3, is that looks like a divide symbol? Is that supposed to be?
That's a negative one.
Okay.
I did describe that it was negative. Go ahead.
Wait, Miss Priya, do we solve the arithmetic sequence?
Yeah, I just want you to solve it as an arithmetic series. Please don't sit and add or subtract. If you add and subtract this, you're only at a loss for yourself.
Miss Priya, am I right?
I want you to treat this as an arithmetic series and
Miss Priya, am I
find the
right?
sum. Please, ma, if you say the answer, just please wait. Okay, you don't have to ask. It is really hard on me if you keep talking in between. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Okay, that completely distracts the class. But I'll definitely come back to you. If I don't call you out, you are feel free to shout out, Auntie, you didn't tell. That's great. Okay, I'll definitely reply to you. Shivesh, Aradhya, Vishant, Saket, did you guys make use of the arithmetic series or you sat and added and subtracted?
I used
Arithmetic series.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Miss Priya,
but
is
definitely
I was
you
not
won't
about to
deceive
sit and add
yourself
all
by
of
just
that.
adding. Huh?
I was not about to sit and add all of that.
Miss Priya, is my answer right? Oh, never mind. Never mind. You just said.
My
I
first
asked
answer
you
was a
not to
typo.
ask, right?
Sorry.
I'm really particular, ma, because it's very distracting. What is it? Why? Because see, the others who are really asking questions get put off as well. What is that?
My first answer was a typo.
No problem, Devansh, but I didn't get what you're saying, Devansh. I asked you for the sum of the arithmetic series. You've given me something else, and I've also given you a
Yeah,
heart
I
on.
have to send that.
Huh? Okay. Kabir, did you use the arithmetic series?
Oh, yeah.
Aviram, the answer is not 50. I am seriously, Aviram, you're not focused, I feel.
Yes.
Miss Priya, is this right now?
Advai, did you get it? Okay. So the answer was Akshat. Did you get it? Hey, don't make me call one by one,
I
guys.
did get it.
Yes, Akshat did.
I mistyped accidentally, so
Priya, is my
Rihan,
answer correct?
Rihansh, I didn't get your answer. What does it mean?
Miss Priya, is my answer
Oh,
correct?
I think I forgot
Please,
to click the
Arya,
end.
stop asking that. I have been telling so many times. It's so distracting the class and it is putting off people who are still trying to do. I will answer, and if I don't and move on, then you please ask. I'm open for it. Is that okay, Arya?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Miss Priya,
I
I mistyped, so
No problem. I'll wait, guys, because there are others who are doing. That is why I'm saying nothing. You have done it. It's great. I really like it. You are all able to get it. But at the same time, let's give the turn to the others who have not done so that they can ask their questions. Go ahead. I'll definitely reply. And if I don't, please ask. Yeah. Did you guys get it? Anybody who didn't get it yet? Okay. Shall I move on?
Wait,
Priyan, did you get it now?
You did.
Wait, me?
I
Priyan,
mistyped
yeah,
the
Priyan got it.
first time, but then I saw it and like I redid it.
Okay. Viraj, did you get it?
Oh yeah, I was just saying that you did.
Can I go to practice again?
Oh, yeah. No? Sorry. What was that?
You skipped me, like you didn't.
I did. I did answer. See the heart I gave you?
Oh, okay.
See? Usually I don't skip, okay? But sometimes I do because I just miss. 3 by 2 and then to the 11. Try the sum of this arithmetic series. You're going to find formulas today. You're going to discover formulas. You will be amazed at yourself. You will have to derive the formula, okay, with what we have discussed. Try. Otherwise, I'll help you guys, okay? This is also interesting.
Wait,
Do we do
what?
all of these in one response, or do you send separate responses?
Separate responses, no? Take your time. These are all nice questions you can figure out, and you discover a formula, you memorize it as well after that.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
I don't really understand the second one.
That's okay. I'll help you. Wow. Saket, how are you doing in school, Saket?
Pretty good.
What are you doing in school? Algebra?
Yeah.
Aradhya, you know how you derived the formula, Aradhya?
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, good job. Aradhya, very nice job on the second one. Number one, you need to sit and find see the common difference. You know you know the formula for the sum of the series, right? Arithmetic series, right?
Yeah.
So it will be an arithmetic sequence. When you find the common difference between 3 common differences, if you find they all will be the same,
Okay.
then you can use the formula. Rihanj, do you know how you arrived at the formula, Rihanj? Or you've simply already memorized and sending? That's what I want to know.
I mean, I already memorized it, but I kind of also know like how I came up with it.
Ah, okay. Okay, that's nice.
Yeah,
Devang, I'm waiting for your second and third answers, okay?
Okay.
Oh, is it? No. All positive. No, 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 no. I have a question. Wasn't it proven by no sum of all positive? No, not really, Kabir. It won't be.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I was just watching a video about that and I just want to ask.
Actually, it's not 12. You see what I mean? It's not minus 12 or 12 or 1 by 12. You got it?
Oh, okay.
Miss Priya.
Akshat, that n plus 1 should be in bracket, parenthesis.
I might be like really wrong for my answer.
Doesn't matter. Yes, it's not right.
Yeah, okay.
Please sit and calculate, Vian. You're just not doing the hard work. Sit and calculate the common difference properly. Vishant, you got the formula. Did you arrive at the formula?
No, I memorized it.
See, that's what. You have to arrive at the formula.
But Miss Priya.
Yeah.
Wait.
Let me quickly show you guys. I'll do it on the board, okay?
Wait. Okay.
Should I check anybody's answer? Okay, I'll
Could
check.
you just check if my common difference is right? I sent it.
I will do. Give me a minute. There are two more answers, and with this, I'm going to explain, okay? Aradhya, you're almost right, but there is a mistake in one. You're not taking that correctly. I don't know beyond what is the common difference. I'm going to do it on the board. Now, what is the common difference? Successive term minus the previous term. So what is this, guys? 8 by 6 times 2 times 2 minus 7 by 6. 1 by 6 is the common difference. If you make a mistake in that, then you should go back and learn fractions, I feel. Honestly, okay, I'm not saying to say, I'm not sugarcoating anything, okay? You have to do fractions correctly at this point. So that is 1 by 6. The common difference is 1 by 6.
So my common difference is
First term is 7 by 6. You know how to use this? How many numbers? Do we know how many numbers? We don't know. But the nth term, you know what it is? That's 11. Right? So what is the sum? Sum will be equal to a1 plus an divided by 2 times n. Right? So what did you guys do? How many terms are there?
I got 60.
Yeah.
How many terms are there? How will you find out the number of terms?
Well, I got 61 terms.
See, that's the deal. 11.
I got 59.
First term minus last term, right? How many common differences will be in that?
Oh, there's
59.
Yeah, there's 59.
60.
I got 59.
There's 60 because it's last one minus that plus 1.
Exactly. There is a plus 1 there. So when you calculate
60.
the number of terms, right? 11 minus 7 by 6. 60
I did 60 plus 1.
What is that?
I did 60 plus 1 instead of 59 plus 1.
Yeah, so the number would be, how many number of terms are there?
60.
Exactly. Number of terms is 60. Now you'll be able to get your answer, right? So the sum of the arithmetic sequences, sum of this arithmetic series is 365. Now find a formula means you know how to find the sum of an arithmetic sequence. Consider this as an arithmetic sequence. First term plus the last term divided by 2 times the number of terms. So how to write out the formula? N times n plus 1 by 2. That is the general formula. You have derived a formula. You have to be proud of yourself using arithmetic sequences. The last one, n positive odd integers, right? Find the formula for the sum of first n positive odd integers. Means 1, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 plus 5. Shivesh, did you get the formula?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's n squared.
Good job. That's right. 9, 16. When you look at it, this is only 1. That is 1 squared. This is 1 plus 3, number of terms, right? 1 plus 3 plus 5. 3 squared, 4 squared.
4 squared.
So if you have n positive integers means 1 positive integer, 2 positive integer, 3 positive integer, 4 positive integer. How many positive integers are there? That square will be the sum of the odd positive integers. Make sense? Okay, so the formula is n square here. So you have derived two formulas. Yeah? So shall we stop here and then I'll let you do 21.1 and 21.2.
You went up?
21.1 and 21.2 in the book.
How many chapters are there in the book?
Yeah, this is the voluminous book, guys. That's why we started early. Okay.
All right.
Yeah. That was good, guys. Okay. If you don't have any questions, we'll log off. And for the win, can we play next week, Aviram, if it's okay with you?
I didn't ask. That was Vian.
Yeah, that was me.
Vian, can we play next week?
Bye.
Is it okay, Vian? I have a pickup to be done. That's why I'm requesting.
Yeah, it's fine.
Thank you. Bye.
I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Miss Priya.
I'm Priya.
Bye, Vian. Thanks, Vian.